Your resting heart rate can predict a heart attack years before it actually happens. Let's measure yours right now. Welcome back to Health Metrics Daily. Your resting heart rate is the simplest and most powerful indicator of your cardiovascular fitness. It is the number of beats your heart takes when you are doing absolutely nothing. The less effort it has to make, the healthier your system is. Find your pulse on your wrist or neck. Count the beats for 15 seconds. Got it? Now, multiply that number by 4. That is your beats per minute. Now, check the chart. For men over 50, a normal resting heart rate usually falls between 60 and 80 beats. If you are in excellent shape, it might be closer to 50. But if your rate is consistently above 80, that is a serious red flag. Research shows that every extra 10 beats per minute above your normal range increases the risk of heart disease death by 20%. A high rate means your heart engine never truly gets to rest. How do you lower it? The fastest way is interval training and deep breathing. Even 10 minutes of brisk walking a day can drop your heart rate by 5 beats within a single month. Subscribe to protect your heart. Does it get dark before your eyes when you stand up too fast? In the next video, I will explain why this can be deadly after age 60. Click the video on your screen now.